Integrating language documentation and computational tools for Yupik, an Alaska Native language. Key personnel are PI Lane Schwartz at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, PI Sylvia Schreiner at George Mason University, and their graduate and undergraduate student assistants. This project combines computational linguistics and language documentation of St. Lawrence Island Yupik, a polysynthetic language, to digitize legacy materials, develop foundational computer tools for language research and maintenance, improve documentation of the language's morphology, syntax, and phonology, and support community-based efforts to maintain and revitalize the language. St. Lawrence Island Yupik, also known as Central Siberian Yupik, is an endangered language spoken by about 1,000 people on St. Lawrence Island, Alaska, in the Bering Strait, fewer than 200 people on the Chukotka Peninsula of Russia, and several hundred people in mainland Alaska. Our fieldwork to date has been undertaken on St. Lawrence Island. Over multiple trips to Gamble, St. Lawrence Island, we have undertaken linguistic fieldwork and consulted with the Yupik-speaking community. We have successfully developed 2 generations of finite-state morphological analyzer and a prototype neural network-based analyzer, and completed preliminary work on speech technologies, as well as undertaken initial research on Yupik phonology, morphology, and syntax. We've successfully digitized dozens of Yupik legacy texts and hundreds of hours of audio. We've also created digital resources for the community school in consultation with the teachers there, for example, an interactive ebook and a learning video of the Pledge of Allegiance read in Yupik. We've begun work on a collection of web tools for the community as well, including a digitized form of the existing Yupik dictionary, integrating our finite-state morphological analyzer. Using our morphological analyzer during fieldwork has allowed us to more quickly analyze data and identify gaps in existing language documentation. We've spent a significant amount of time, both before and during the funding period, meeting with individuals and local stakeholder groups in the community where we conduct our research. We've talked with them about our proposed work, listened to their priorities and concerns, obtained their permission to conduct the research, and kept them updated on the status of the project. It's impossible to overstate the importance of the time spent with the community, building relationships and establishing trust. As outside researchers, we have a crucial obligation to remain cognizant of the negative history of colonialism and to be proactive in shaping our research in such a way as to be highly sensitive to Native culture and the needs and desires of the local community. It is our responsibility to ensure that our research positively and concretely contributes to the local communities where we do our work. We will continue our digitization, language documentation, and tool building efforts, and we will be distributing further technologies and resources to the local community as we develop them. We look forward to connecting with other NNA researchers and communities involved in research or revitalization efforts involving other Inuit Yupik languages. Code, resources, the Yupik corpus, and downloadable papers and presentations can be found at our project and personal websites.